So guys, probably nakita nyo na ang full review ng Poco X5 Pro. And this time around, yung kasabayan niya na lumabas during the launch is the Poco X5 Pro. This one is the better version ng X5. So I'm excited to show you kung ano bang mga capabilities meron dito sa phone na ito. And would it live up to your expectation? Malalaman natin after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. This is the Poco X5 Pro. How about a quick unboxing muna na itong phone na ito? So here is the Poco X5 Pro. Kita natin it's a 5G ready na phone, and ang laki ng print niya, Poco X5 Pro. And dito sa gilid, it's Poco X5 Pro 5G na print with your favorite Google apps. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Medyo nag-tone down ng kanyang message right now dahil before it used to be with the Google apps that you use the most. Medyo may konting pang-asar lang. So natin. Tanggalin ko lang yung box. Baliktad. Poco. Checks the stuff inside. SIM ejector tool. A bunch of manuals. And ang kanyang case. Malambot ang kanyang case. So same lang siya sa non-pro na variant. Plastic ang kanyang lalagyan. So, buksan natin. We have the color black over here. Hindi na siya nagkakalayo sa itsura ng non-pro variant. No? Medyo mas squarish ang kanyang design, flat out. Unlike si non-pro variant, mas curve ang kanyang edges. But overall, ang kanyang camera is almost the same ang placement sa non-pro variant. So, ganito design niya. Pag kinabit mo ang kanyang case, transparent. So, kita mo rin ang ganda ng kanyang likod. Some other stuff inside. You have your Type-C cable and your 67 watts na fast charging brick. So, quick phone tour lang tayo. Sa likod, we have a matte finish back. Definitely gusto ko yan kasi walang fingerprint mga marks. Then, yung kanyang camera module looks kind of familiar. Medyo may pagka-iPhone. Sa ilalim dyan ka na loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. Sundutin na natin ang SIM tray. And we have a dual 5G SIM. So, dalawang nano SIM ang kaya dito. So, walang micro SD expansion. Fingerprint scanner / power button on the side, and of course, volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, IR blaster niya, then of course, noise cancelling mic, second speaker, and of course, ang kanyang audio jack. On the other side, it's pretty clean. So, ito na, ang Poco X5. This one comes in 3-color variant. We have the black, the blue, and the yellow. So, hawak natin is the black color. So, definitely, it's one of the better option if you want yung medyo mas casual na color, no? Black is always the good color to go for. Now, itong phone na ito will be Lazada exclusive and it comes in 2 variants. There's the 6 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage, will be priced at $6,999 and early bird price will be priced at $15,659. And the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage will be priced at $18,999. The early bird price is $17,659. I'll be posting everything on the description box below. Just check it out. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is definitely kanyang design. Flat na flat ang kanyang likod. Definitely feels like an iPhone. Kahit ano sabihin mo. And even yung kanyang camera module, it even looks like an iPhone as well. And what's nice about dito sa phone na ito, ang likod niya is matte finish. So, definitely walang fingerprints. And even though this is a Pro variant, andyan pa rin ang kanyang headphone jack. Form factor dito sa phone na ito, definitely it's good. And this phone is being powered by the Snapdragon 778G. This one is the better option as compared to the Snapdragon 695. And what's nice about the processor na ito, it supports 5G connectivity. And it also is manufactured by TSMC. So definitely the processing is better. Ang kanyang RAM is LPDDR4X. And of course, ang kanyang storage is UFS 2.2. And one exciting news na bibigyan ko sa inyo, this one comes in MIUI 14 for Poco. So what's nice dito sa phone na ito, it has dynamic RAM expansion. So makita mo, this one is a 8 gigs of RAM plus 3 gigs of expansion. Well, better for multitasking and for gaming experience-wise. And of course, yung pag marami kang apps na binuksan sabay-sabay, the additional 3 gigs of RAM, even that it's a little bit more of a gimmick, it does help even a bit. Impressive naman score na dito sa Antutu at 532,000 points. And overall, pagdating sa multitasking and doing all the things that I want to do on this phone, sabay-sabay nakabukas mga apps, maning-mani, kayang-kaya naman yan. Itong phone na ito comes with a 5,000 mAh of battery supporting up to 67 watts of fast charging. So charging from 10 to 100 Takes me around 48 minutes to complete the charging cycle, which is really not bad, under 1 hour. Itong phone na ito, on normal usage, it can last me for around 1 whole day. Walang problema. And that's on normal usage. And siguro a little bit beyond 1 day, kaya naman yan. No? But probably this won't last me for 2 whole days. And tinry ko naman siya i-test dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. Well, nakakuha siya ng 12 hours of screen on time, which for me is not so bad after all. At ang screen na ito is a 6.67-inch na Flow AMOLED display. It has a dot drop notch, of course, ang kanyang front-facing camera. And this one comes with a 240Hz na touch sampling rate and 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And this one support DCI-P3 na wide color gamut. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is at 900 nits. And this one comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 na protection sa harap, plastic frames, and plastic back. Now, one of my favorite things to do is to browse through my social media on this phone. What I like about dito sa kanya is ang ganda kanya display. The black is blacker, and of course, yung yung 120 Hz of the screen refresh rate that is working on, well, browsing social media like TikTok, like Facebook, Instagram, and of course, Twitter. Smooth ang transition. Now, when you're browsing on Facebook, well, smooth din siya. As long as smooth din ang iyong internet, walang problema. And by the way, guys, this one has level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, meaning if you are watching your favorite shows here sa Netflix or so on your other online streaming apps, pwede mag-HD. So, tinry naman natin manood ng videos on YouTube or Netflix. This one was able to give me the experience na hinahanap ko, no? The screen is nice and black is blacker. The colors are punchy. And what's really nice dito is medyo squarish yung kanyang design. So, parang nanonood ka lang sa TV, no? Except that, of course, there's a punch hole over here. But overall, ang kanyang viewing experience dito sa phone na ito is definitely okay. So one of the things na gustuhan ko dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang stereo speaker. So when I'm watching videos and listening to Spotify, okay na okay ang kanyang loudspeaker, no? It's ample enough just to, well, let me feel the immersive experience of listening to music and playing games. Now, speaking of playing games, tinry natin maglaro dito ng Call of Duty Mobile. I can say the game is really smooth dito sa phone na ito, and having a touch sampling rate of 240Hz is definitely helping dahil very responsive ang screen ko on every touch na ginawa ko. No? So honestly, I was able to enjoy this for 2 straight hours playing games, ranked games dito sa Call of Duty Mobile, and sobrang smooth, sobrang sarap ng kanyang experience. No? Halos very minimal ang lags dito sa game na ito. On the other hand, I was able to play the Tower Fantasy, so I was able to set it at the medium graphical settings. So this gameplay was okay. There are sometimes na mafe-feel mo parang medyo tumatalon siya ng konti, but of course, you don't expect this to be a gaming chip like the Snapdragon 8 Gen series. But overall, the game is playable and I was able to enjoy naman. But of course, not to the extent na yung sobrang smooth na experience. Of course, expect some hiccups from time to time dito sa Tower Fantasy. So, I expect sa Genshin Impact might be the same as well. Now, this time around, pag-usapan natin about the camera nito phone na ito. So, it has the 108MP na wide camera sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide camera sensor, and 2MP na macro camera sensor. Sa harap niya, there is the 16MP na front-facing camera. It's the same actually with the non-Pro variant, and I was able to take this phone out for a stroll, and outdoor shot is really nice. It reminds me a lot about the Xiaomi 12 Lite, which can capture really great photos, be it sa outdoors or sa indoor. This one sa outdoor is definitely great, and mga pictures are punchy, and the colors are quite natural, a little bit saturated, but overall maganda ang mga output dito sa picture. So, ang bilis rin niya mag-focus as well. Now, using the zoom lens, I was able to zoom up to 3x. Ito mga shots na nakuha ko. And bringing this one indoors, I was able to get some really nice shots. Even though na medyo low light ang mga place na pinuntahan ko, it was still able to perform. Now, here's the main difference. Ang kanya 16MP, which is, I'm not quite sure kung same sensor sila ng X5. This one was a performer. Ang ganda ng kanyang front-facing camera, was able to take in some really nice shot outdoors, indoors, and even though na low light, kaya na enhance ang mga pictures, pinapaganda niya, no? Unlike yung kay non-Pro variant ng X5, kung medyo madilim, medyo maitim din ang picture mo. So this one is the better na front-facing camera among the two. So, ang kanyang front-facing camera can take in video at 1080p, 60 fps, and ang kanyang rear camera can take in up to 4K and 30 fps. Here are some samples. So guys, this is the resolution you'll be getting if you're vlogging using Poco X5 Pro. Shooting at 1080p and 60 fps. I can say the resolution is a lot better than the X5, and I can say that 60 fps does really matter for most vloggers like me. And I can say the resolution is good, be it on Zoom or just recording for vlog or Viber chat. It's okay. And the audio is using the default mic. Comments? Hit it on the comment section below. So guys, this is how it looks like when you're vlogging using the Poco X5 Pro on indoors. I can say the video is sharp. I love it. And you can use this for your vlogging needs. So guys, I'm really impressed dito sa phone na ito, no? So having the processor na is really good in performance, in multitasking, in gaming. It can game, but of course don't expect it to be able to game like mga gaming phone na levels. But this one can definitely give you a satisfying gaming experience. Now, ito phone na ito being priced at $16,999 and an early bird price of $15,659. I can say na sulit itong phone na ito at that price point. Having a really nice phone inside your pocket to be able to watch all of your movies, binge watching. Ang ganda ng resolution dito. The camera is nice. The battery can last you for a whole day. Walang problema. And you can even play some decent games here as well. So guys, if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course. Click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads here sa aking channel. Ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?